Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Shopify POS for mobile UI workflows. Easy tutorial step by. To begin, open your Shopify POS app on your mobile device. Log into your Shopify account if you haven't already done so. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Tap on the settings icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, select subscriptions. Now, you will see available subscription options. Choose the subscription plan that fits your business needs. Carefully review the features included in each plan. You will be prompted to enter payment details. Fill in the required information for your billing. After entering your payment information, tap Confirm. Wait for a confirmation message. Now that your subscription is set up, return to the main dashboard. You can start using Shopify POS features that your plan includes. Explore the additional settings to customize your mobile UI workflows. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. This allows you to streamline your sales process effectively. Continue to optimize your mobile experience as your business grows. Your subscription with Shopify POS is now successfully set. Utilize all the features at your disposal to enhance your operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.